Hello and welcome to my video. It's a quick one just to there's a lot of questions about the bias T, the amplifier and the cavity filter, and a lot of people are confused about in which order they go. For these are the bias T. You can see here it's clearly labeled to minor and RF plus DC 12 volts. And on the amplifier itself, it also says to minor and to antenna. The cavity filter, this is an indoor cavity filter. This doesn't have any labels for input output. That's because you can use it both ways. It doesn't matter which way you put input or which way is output. This is a passive filter, and this is powered, so you can either power the amplifier directly using this cable that the supply gave me. There is a little power port here, and you can power it this way using the standard USB-A, or you can use a 12 volt, I think it's center pin positive power adapter, which will then pass the power through the cable to the amplifier, and thus you don't need this. So you can use it either way. These cables came included with the kit. I bought everything as a kit from AliExpress. It took let's see, I ordered it in April. Yeah, ordered it in April and it arrived today. So today's the 26th of May. April, May, more than a month. I think I ordered it maybe even March. I can't remember now. But it took a while. The shipper sends it by the cheapest shipping method available to them. And at one point I thought it was lost, but it turned up today. I'm running at the moment an AirBuddy with a 12 dBi antenna. I don't know if it's because of the network. I'm not getting any witnesses at all, but today we'll try this, and tomorrow I think I'll revert back to the 4 dBi antenna. I think it is a 4.5, and see what results we get. So I just wanted to show that this is the bias T. This end will go to the minor, so plug straight into the minor. This is a SMA female. Don't know if you can see that. And this side plugs straight into the amplifier, and this side is also SMA female. The cable here is SMA male. You can use the couplers, the SMA connectors without the cable itself, but I'm using the cable because then it allows me to arrange this setup in a way that is convenient for me. The amplifier itself, this side is again female with a male with center pin back to back. So this cable here is center pin back to back. And this side goes, it says 2 antenna, it goes through the cavity filter first. And this side is actually a center pin. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try and zoom in. Yeah, so that's an SMA male with a center pin, and this cable is a female. Yeah, and that screws straight into there. And then the cavity filter is actually both ends are SMA female, as you can see here, and here, and we have the SMA cable with a male pin. And like I say, any side really, I mean, it doesn't really matter, because the cavity filter is more of a passive unit. Well, actually, power that's passed through it from the amplifier all the way up to the antenna, I think, and that's how the signal is amplified. The receiving signal is amplified, so that's how it all works. So I was a little bit confused about the orientation of the connection between the 3 or even the 2. So I thought I'll put this video out for those that are a little bit confused, because I see comments all the time in other videos about, you know, where does the bias T go in relation to the minor, and I've seen and the amplifier, and I've seen people put this on the wrong way. And you can, as I said, you can use this cable. It looks like this is a type of Sony product pin, maybe even what the PSP uses. You know, the PSP, PlayStation Portable, I'm not sure. I've seen this type of connector before. I can't remember on what product, but it needs 5 volts, and if I remember correctly, the PSP is the adapter is a 5 volt adapter, but you know, they give you the USB cable. I actually when I placed my order, I actually said to them, please provide a UK power supply, and they replied that they don't actually have the 3-pin UK power supply, so they said they'll give me this cable. So I don't know if they give this cable as standard or whether you have to request it, but what I would do is maybe request it in that case, but they gave this free. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook this up to my miner, and I'll see how it goes. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.